The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch for all of Oklahoma. Keep listening for more emergency alerts. Tornado watch for all of Oklahoma. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Oklahoma City County. Take cover now. Move into an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and stay away from windows. At 4:15 a.m. Central Daylight Saving Time, a supercell capable of producing a tornado was spotted on radar on the Oklahoma-Texas border. Areas affected include Moore, Norman and Oklahoma City. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Oklahoma City County. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. If it keeps heading for Oklahoma City, a tornado emergency will be issued. Get underground now. Wow, this is a textbook supercell on radar. Okay, let's look at the sky cam. Wow, I've never seen anything like this in my life. Wow. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado emergency for Oklahoma City. Get underground. It may be an F5. Get underground if you want to live.